Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. This is going to be a quick video showing you these new augers I bought that go with a drill, or in my case, I've got my hammer drill. You're going to need to use it with a side handle attached. It's a real pain if you're about to plant a bunch of bulbs and you have to dig each hole by hand. I've wanted one of these for a long time. I finally broke down and found a set on Amazon that I liked, and I'm gonna open it and show you. Now the brand that I bought is called Maxino. And it does come with several auger sizes. And actually, this is better quality than I thought it was going to be. Now, I have all of the augers out of the box. They do come in 4 sizes, so you can use them for different things in your garden. So the 4-piece set comes with these sizes. This is 1.6 inches by 8.6 inches, 3 inches by 12 inches, 2 by 14.5 inches, and then 2.6 inches wide by 16.5 inches long. They are a very good quality, I have to say. For the price, I expected these to be made cheaper, but they are a nice steel. They're coated with this very durable type of paint that looks like it's probably like good outdoor durable paint. And you know, sometimes when you buy these things, they're cheaply made, but this part that fits into the chuck seems like it is manufactured very well. And the auger drill bit comes with a 3/8 inch non-slip drive, and you are to use this with any 18 volt or greater drill. That's what's recommended. And it's also recommended to keep them clean from soil and debris when not in use. So there is a wide application for these. You can use them for increased efficiency when planting things like bulbs, which I intend to do, potted plants, vegetables, flowers, bare root trees and shrubs, tilling soil, mixing seed, soil, fertilizer. You can use them also to mix up your paint or even batches of mortar mix for hardscapes. You could use them for digging post holes. This set does run for $22.99 on Amazon currently. Sometimes the prices jump around a little bit, but for your convenience, I will include a link in the description of this video. Sometimes when you search keywords on Amazon, it'll give you other sponsored things first. So I'll make sure I link directly to this brand that I purchased. It does come with a 2-year warranty. And I just want to reiterate that you'll want to make sure that you use it with your side handle. I'll also include this in the description because I know last time I was at Lowe's, I looked for a side handle, and for some reason they don't sell these in stores. You have to find them online. If you don't know how to attach this, I do have a separate video showing you how to do that. You'll want to make sure you use it with a drill that has a place to accept a side handle. So I hope this video is helpful. If you would use this, leave it for me in the comments what you would use it for. If you have these already and find them useful, please also comment. If you don't follow me, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and all that good stuff. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Please find me there as well. As always, I hope this video was valuable and helpful to you. And until next time, take care.